You pierce using a nail, and then you insert your sprinklers. You insert them. You Hello friends, welcome in today's video. And as you have noted, each and every day and each and every moment during the day, watering must be done. If you fail to do proper watering, so it means that your fodder won't grow well at all. So therefore, I know that many people are workers and have their job located far away from their homes, whereby they have the hydroponic fodder setup. So, and the rules of the game has it that after each and every 3 to 4 hours, you must do watering. So there is a system that can water even in your absence. This system is just automatic watering system and has some various components, like we can have these are just the pipe. You'll do some piping. So as I can just do some demonstrations over here. Just want to do some demonstration over here. So you need to do some piping, like I have done for my system. Then there is what we call the sprinklers. The sprinklers, hope you can see them very well. This sprinkler of ours here has a valve that is located over here. So you can see the valve here. So this is the valve, and this valve, for it to open, then you must have a pump. You must have a pump. You just require this small pump here, because our sprinkler over here have a valve. This valve is normally located at here. So you can see it. This is the valve, and for water to come out as mist, then this valve must be placed by water. That means some pressure must be there. So you really need this pump here, or any other pump, but this is simplest and low cost pump that you can find. So therefore, to install this one, you need to have a nail. You pierce using a nail, and then you insert your sprinklers. You insert them. You insert your sprinklers. Like in this system here, I may require only 4. Like you can see them. So that system is almost complete. Is almost complete. How you can see it now. Now there is another gadget. There is another gadget, and that gadget is over here. This gadget is called digital time switch, as you can see. and it is normally programmed to water in an interval that you would like. It is normally programmed at an interval that you may like. As per now, you can see it's giving us the time now. It is exactly 10 minutes past 11, and it is on Tuesday, like you can see. So this gadget is the timer. It is programmed. It is connected direct to the. It is connected direct to the pump. When it is the time to do the watering, then the timer switches the pump, and then the pump pumps in water through a pipe here, and then the sprinklers now releases water in form of mist. Now when we are having all that things, then remember watering becomes even more easier than doing it manually, because what is coming out here is mist, and that mist cannot destroy the arrangement of seeds like I do using my handmade water can. This is my water can that I normally use to do the watering. It is normally very tedious having looking at the time each and every moment. It is 4 hours, 3 hours, then you come and do the watering. So it is easier when you using the gadgets of this nature, using the sprinkler. Remember, I have big systems that I normally use to do the fodder, but I chose to use these sprays here because many people say that they do not even know how to do it. They need the requirement. Before you get the requirement, do something using what you have in your place. Do your own improvisation and do your fodder. It doesn't matter how small it will be, but this is the way to start. I know tomorrow we will handle more things because tomorrow it will be our day 7 for the fodder. This is day 6. This is at day 5, day 4, day 3, day 2, day 1. I haven't planted today because what I will plant today will be at day 0. So therefore tomorrow we will also handle something very critical that many farmers have been asking, because many, when they produce such kind of a fodder, then they want to give to the livestock, then the livestock do not even eat. Why do they not eat? We will dwell on that. So therefore, thank you very much for watching. Remember, if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe down there to my YouTube channel for videos and updates each and every moment I upload those videos. Remember to share. You can like, you can leave your comment over there. I know whenever I see a comment, I normally respond very quickly. So therefore, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.